In this video, I'll show you how to fix if every time when you plug your headset into your Xbox Series S or X controller, you hear a buzzing. Sometimes it's very subtle, but sometimes it can get very annoying. So I'll show you a few different solutions, try them all, and there's a good chances that one of them will work for you. So let's start with the easiest one. So take your controller, press this Xbox logo, go home, and from here we're gonna go into the settings. Then from here, make sure that you're under General and then select Network Settings. Then select Advanced Settings. Go down until you select Alternate MAC Address and then select Clear. You'll have to restart your console, press A again. Just let it do its thing. It takes just a few seconds, and there's a good chances that this will solve your problem if your headphones are buzzing. I know that what we just did has nothing to do with the audio, but this works. So for the second solution, press this Xbox logo again to make the menu on the left side appear. And then from here, you're gonna go all the way down, all the way to the right side. Select this icon. And from here, you're gonna go over mic monitoring. And while you're wearing the headset, just by lowering this, you're gonna hear a difference. So the lowest you put, the less of this buzzing you may hear. Now, if this didn't work, I know before going to another solution, make sure that your headset is plugged all the way in and try to wiggle it a bit. Sometimes these connections get loose and it can cause problems in a very random ways. Go back and we need to go into the settings again, and from here under General, go under Volume and Audio Output, and here you see this, click on the headset audio and try to select each of these. So go over Dolby Atmos for headphones and try playing your game. Check and see if the buzzing is still present. If it's still there, go ahead and select DTS Headphone X. Sometimes just by changing those settings, it can help fix your issue. You can also go over here, Additional Options, and select Mono Output. Again, sometimes this can also fix your problem. So I hope one of these solutions helped you. If so, please leave a like, comment down below which one of these worked. And if you have another one, write it down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.